ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു അവർ ചാനൽ വിത്ത് യു. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് PSC ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. ഇന്ത്യൻ കോൺസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷനിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇതെല്ലാം പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. വളരെയധികം ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ഉള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഇന്നത്തേത്. 50 ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ് ഇതിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് ഈ ക്ലാസ് കാണുക, ഇത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കൂടുതൽ ഉപകാരപ്പെടും. ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നോക്കാം. The Indian Constitution borrowed idea of appointment of governors of state by the center from which country? Canada. From which country the Indian Constitution borrowed the idea of the joint sitting of the two houses of parliament? Australia. Which part of the Constitution of India represent the philosophy and the ideals of the Constitution? Preamble. Which article of the Constitution provide for the appointment of a special officer for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe by the President? Article 338. Next question. How many schedules are there in the Constitution? 12. Indian Constitution borrowed the idea of the suspension of fundamental rights during emergency from which country? Germany. Who addresses the first parliament meeting after general election? President. Next question. What is the minimum age required to contest the Lok Sabha election? 25 years. Which committee of the parliament is headed by the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha? Public Account Committee. What is the retirement age of the Supreme Court judge? 65 years. Which state has the largest number of seats reserved for scheduled tribes in Lok Sabha? Madhya Pradesh. Who was the Prime Minister of India when the right to property removed from the list of fundamental rights? Morarji Desai. What is the minimum duration to stay in India before applying for Indian citizenship? Answer is 5 years. What is the total number of standing committees in the Indian Parliament? The answer is 45. Next question. Who got Bharat Ratna Award before becoming the President of India? Dr. Zakir Hussain. The amending power of the Constitution is described in which article? Article 368. Who said that every judge is an activist, either on the forward gear or on the reverse? Justice Krishna Iyer. Which commission was constituted to study and report on the working of center-state relations in India? Sarkaria Commission. What type of a government is established in India by the Constitution? Parliamentary government. Who was the first woman to become the Chief Election Commissioner of India? V.S. Ramadevi. Which constitutional amendment omitted the right to property from the list of fundamental rights? The answer is 44th Amendment in 1978. Which Prime Minister of India abolished Privy Purse? Indira Gandhi. Next question. Which committee suggested the inclusion of a separate chapter on fundamental duties in the Constitution? The answer is Swaran Singh Committee. Family courts were set up in the country in which year? 1984. In India, Nota was introduced in which year? The answer is 2013. Next question. Who has been selected as the first male member of National Commission for Women? The answer is Alok Rawat. The Wildlife Protection Act was enacted in the year 1972. Next question. To whom does the Public Account Committee submit its report? Speaker of Lok Sabha. Who described the preamble as the identity card of the Constitution? The answer is N.A. Palkhiwala. Next question. Who was the Prime Minister of India when Mandal Commission was appointed to identify the creamy layer among backward classes? Morarji Desai. Next question. In which case of the Supreme Court gave the verdict that the preamble is a part of the Constitution? The answer is Keshavananda Bharati case 1973. Next question. Which article of the Constitution deals with general election? The answer is Article 324. Next question. The first president who ordered that instead of His Excellency only Shri should be prefixed to his name? The answer is Pranab Mukherjee. Next question. The decision of whom is final as far as the nature of a money bill is considered? Speaker of House. Next question. Which constitutional amendment gave precedence to the directive principle of state policy over fundamental rights? The answer is 42nd Constitutional Amendment. Next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with Grama Sabha? Article 243A. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the President's role in the state? Article 356. The article of the Indian Constitution which deals with the Uniform Civil Code? The answer is Article 44. Next question. Termination of a sitting of the House without any definite date being fixed for the next sitting is known as adjournment sine die. The term secular was added to the preamble of the Indian Constitution by the Amendment 42nd Amendment. Next question. The power to amend the Indian Constitution rests with? The answer is Parliament. Next question. The total number of ministers, including the Prime Minister, in the Council of Ministers should not exceed what percent of the total membership of the Lok Sabha? The answer is 15%. Next question. In the Indian Constitution, the term cabinet appears only in Article 352. Article 352 is known as National Emergency. Next question. Which part of the Constitution contains fundamental rights? Part 3. Next question. Who were the leading artists to decorate the handwritten copy of the Indian Constitution? The answer is Nandalal Bose and Ram Manohar Sinha. Next question. Which schedule of the Constitution deals with the three lists, namely Union list, State list and the concurrent list? The answer is 7th schedule. Which constitutional amendment made the right to education at elementary level as a fundamental right under Article 21A? The answer is 86th Amendment 2002. Next question. In India, the child labor is prohibited through which article of the Constitution? The answer is Article 24. The President of India is empowered with the power to grant pardons under which article of the Constitution? The answer is Article 72. The last question. On which date the Constitution Assembly adopted the National Anthem of India? 24th January 1950. ഈ വീഡിയോ എല്ലാവരും 2 തവണ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കേൾക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കണം. ഈ വീഡിയോ എല്ലാവരുടെയും കോമ്പറ്റീറ്റീവ് എക്സാംസിന് ഉപകാരപ്പെടട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. താങ്ക്